What's up, everybody? This is Randy with KRE8ivU. I am one of the instructors at KRE8ivU, and Status was so kind enough to send us a few of their CB-1 headphones, so we are going to do an unboxing. All right, so we are about to dive right into these headphones. So the box feels pretty sturdy. Got this cool knife. I actually got this knife from Adrian. Check his YouTube channel out. What's your channel? Mouthing Out. Yeah, he's behind the scenes on this one. Huge shout out. All right. So I like the box. The box looks pretty dope. Knives are dangerous. Be safe. Don't do this at home. All right. Status. Check that out. Pretty dope. All right. Let's get it right in the camera so I can get a good shot. And nice. Okay. Okay. Not too bad. I'm gonna start with the cables. See what cables they send us. Maybe I have to start with the headphones. They got it in there too. It is in there. All right, so it looks like we got a bunch of cables. That's actually pretty good though. Oh, get all this stuff out y'all way so y'all can see the headphones. Headphones are there. All right, so looks like they gave us two cables. So we got the little coil cable ones. Personally, I would probably never use this one because these always end up tangled, but you get more range, like more distance with this one. But that's cool that they send you two cables. So the price on these headphones from the time of recording this video is $59 on their website. So for $59, you're getting a lot out of just, and these cables don't look cheap either. They feel like good quality. They feel great. And I have a million cables and I can say these feel better than a lot of the ones I have. And this is the straight cable. So I don't even know why I'm opening all these. I'm just getting stuff everywhere. Okay, this seems a lot longer. Yeah, I'll probably roll with this one better. So it's just your standard aux cable. You got the thing you can screw in here. You stick this in here. You're a 1/4 inch. Boom, and this will go into like your interface or your mixer or whatever the case may be. I wish they would have gave you two of these since you got two cables. It makes sense, right? And I'm assuming this goes into the actual headphones. So let's go ahead and get into these things. And if you haven't seen my other headphone unboxing, I did the Nerve phone unboxing actually. Go check that out. The Nerve phones, they are still buzzing right now, so yeah. Okay. For $50, they got a nice build to it. I ain't even gonna lie. These look pretty, they look good too. I like the little gold thing they got going on here. Yeah, this is nice. Let's see what they feel like though. Oh yeah, they comfortable. Oh yeah, these are mad comfortable. I could see myself wearing these for a long session, a long mixing session. Nice. All right. So the cable will go in right here. And it's cool because you can twist it. And yeah, it ain't coming out, it's in there. It is in there. So got the labels, got the left, got the right, they fold. So that's a good thing for if you travel, pack them up easy. Now, would have been cool if they would have included like a carrying case or something like that. I know a lot of higher end headphones, they give you like a case to put your headphones in, like Bose, Nerve Sound, Audio Technica, those other companies. But But yeah, these sound like look really good. So yeah, I'm about to plug these in and do a quick sound check. Stay tuned. All right, so we are back, and I'm about to check this out. I'm about to listen to a beat that I did not too long ago. But let's see what they sound like, man. Let's see if they sound good or not. Let's check them out. Okay. Okay, yeah, they sound good. They sound pretty good. So from a professional standpoint, I would say these headphones do sound great. Um, you could mix with these headphones, but I would definitely check, like, reference check. Of course, even when you use the higher brand headphones, you would definitely want to have reference monitors and reference headphones to check. But so far, like, first impressions, these sound absolutely amazing. Everything, the way I mix my track on my higher end headphones, they sound really close. And I use the Audio Technica on a lot of my mixes when I'm mixing vocals for film, when I'm mixing vocals for music, or if I'm just mixing tracks. I use my Audio Technica to really dial in. And I will say these sound really close. Now, the only difference, like, I would say the only bad thing I can think of right now is my Audio Technica has way more clarity. Well, it's not that much, but it has more clarity as far as sound goes. But these do have a lot of clarity. And if you're just someone looking for headphones to get started, I definitely recommend these. Like, just first impressions, first time using it, I definitely recommend using these. I will definitely do another video on these within like a month or two just to see how they hold up. But I'm going to be using these primarily just to really put them through the test. And yeah, so definitely, man, these headphones are crazy good for the price. I'm blown away, honestly. I expected like just like some okay, mediocre headphones because I've listened to a lot of headphones in my day. I'm just like, they don't sound that good. So thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in these headphones, I definitely recommend that you buy them. They are a great pair of headphones. And if you want to learn more about KRE8ivU, visit our website, contact us. We would love to speak with you. We have online classes going now. So definitely check us out. Let us know how we can help. Thanks for watching. Peace.